My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Dogecoin. What's the current price of the Dogecoin? What's the price in this occurring in the Dogecoin? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the price prediction of Dogecoin. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. So friends, the current price of the Dogecoin in the market is 0.397866 USD dollar is the current price of the Dogecoin in the market. That is the latest. And if you look the price changes occurs, so the price is going down hour by hour. And last 1 hour price change is negative, last 1 day price change is positive, and last 1 week price changes is also negative, friends. Only and only the last 1 day price change is positive, except after last 1 day, the last 1 hour, last 1 week price change is going negative, friends. So what's going in this time in a Dogecoin? Let me show you, friends, on the chart. Now at this time, if you look the currently condition on the charts, absolutely in the yesterday the Dogecoin take a very good jumps, but unfortunately they don't continue his jump for a long time, friends. I think that they will continue this jump for a long time, but unfortunately I'm wrong, and now they are again gradually start moving down. As you can see, gradually they fast down, friends. So I hope that fast for a long short time, and after some passage of time they fast again become positive, friends, and the price change become positive. Now at this time, if you look the last 1 day price change occur as positive 20.86%, absolutely that's a good change occur in the yesterday, but very soon the price change will become negative if this kind of fast continue in the Dogecoin, friends. The price is 0.433299 USD dollar is the highest price of the Dogecoin. And now my prediction target for now this time, I think that they will fast down for a few next hours, and after a few hours there is a lot of chances to they again take a jump, but now currently they are in the falling mood. So for few hours they only fast occur in a Dogecoin, friends. Anyways, don't be lose hope, and it's time to hold, not to sell. What's your opinion? What is your prediction on Dogecoin? Please also share in the comment box. And again, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates.